Presenting the KODAK Mini 2 Retro 2.1x3.4 Portable Photo Printer, white, 60 sheets, wireless connection, compatible with iOS, Android and Bluetooth, real photo, 4-pass and lamination process. It comes in color options of white, yellow, and black. It has laminating process and fingerprint proof and water resistant for long-lasting quality. Compact size and hands and your bag. It also features most affordable option to print right from your home, 4-pass technology and layers of ribbon. KODAK Mini 2 Retro Photo Printer supports both border and borderless type photos. Print the borderless type to have larger sized photos. And KODAK Photo Printer application. Fun augmented reality features and other decorative functions like beauty, filters, frames, and more in KODAK Mini 2 Retro Polaroid Photo Printer. The delivery box contains 60 sheets, user manual, and photo printer, warranty card and USB cable. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.